Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, guys. Okay, so now me and my friend Fahim will be discussing topic and the topic is plans after we graduate from our school. Okay, so without further ado again, let's go to the podcast right now.
Okay. Hello,
Okay.
Arya.
Hello Fahim.
You
Assalamualaikum.
should say hello first as a host, okay?
Oh, okay.
Right. We role play. Okay.
Okay.
Try again.
Hello Fahim.
Hello, Arya. Nice.
Okay.
Okay. So, we gonna talk about
Uh,
what before?
Plans after
Plans after graduating, right?
yeah, graduation. Okay, Fahim. So, I have some question. I have a question for you.
Alright. What's that?
And that is, what is your plan after we graduate from our school, which is
Okay.
IDM?
Okay, my plan. Okay.
Yeah.
So I've been planning for take a college after I finish in IDN.
Oh, you want to take college?
Yes,
but
of course.
You have you ever said to me
Yeah.
you want to working at company first. Yeah.
Okay, so hear me. So my planning is when I was how do you say it? Working at
Yes,
12th
working
grade.
at 12th grade.
So I will work in a company and learn it, like the structure, how it work, and anything about the business inside.
Mm-hmm.
Then after that, I will focus on my college, of course, and I try to get like a scholarship. And I've been targeting for 3 countries, or maybe more. Okay, the first is Japan, the second is China, the third is Saudi Arabia, then Singapore, Turkey, and Egypt maybe. Yeah, maybe that's the last choice. Okay, and every country that I've
Chose.
been it, yeah, I've just have a purpose on it. Such like China. In China, we know China is one of the biggest technology in the world, right? For now, for this era. Cause that I've planning to go to China, but cause a lot of population there, it's hard to get like a job, yep, and make a business there. So, for instead, I pick Japan. Japan is very flexible. As a student, we can learn and also work at the same time, or we can say part time, or maybe I could make a business later. And the last choice is Singapore. Yeah, Singapore is very good. It's near also with Indonesia, and maybe the hard things is because their living cost is very high. Because that, maybe for now I targeting into the Japan one. Yeah.
You also want to see your favorite cars on.
Cars, of course, bro. Of course. I'm looking for R34, Skyline Turbo,
Okay.
and Fishback and Nismo. When I will go to Liberty Walk shop, of course, every year. I don't know, or maybe every one or every day. For looking for a Liberty Walk car inside there, right? GDM. Alright.
Lambo, bro.
That's another purpose, okay? Another purpose.
Another purpose, okay.
Alright. So after that, I try to make a business, my own business, of course.
Your business? Wow. Your company?
Yes, my own, inshallah.
Okay.
Just pray for me. What about you, Arya? As a host, what are you planning if you have done with IDN?
Okay, for him. So I have a plan after I graduate from IDN. So my plan is actually I want to take a college first.
Okay.
Yeah. And the country that I've been targeting it is like Saudi Arabia, Germany, US, Malaysia, and Egypt.
Oh, and Egypt.
Yeah, same like you. But especially for German, because on German, that country has much history in our world, especially for naval engineering Yeah, like that.
Wait, so you'll become an engineer?
Yes, I want to
Oh my God.
be a engineer.
What kind of engineer?
What?
What kind of engineer?
Itu apa?
Kind of engineer, maybe like software engineer and maybe car engineer.
Oh, I want to be a worship engineer. Bro.
Worship engineer.
Yes, because I'm
A
really
ship
excited
engineer.
to
Alright.
worship.
Worship or ship or worship?
Worship.
Oh, worship. Alright. Okay. So, wait, so you gonna be a worship engineer?
Yes, I want to be it. That's why I'm learning physics or something in chemical on my class.
Oh, of course, because that's the reason when I check your laptop, that's very confusing, right? Oh
Yeah.
my God, you're very training, bro. You have a lot of training for that. Yep, I pray for you. Good luck.
Okay.
Okay. So, what university that you targeted?
Maybe the university on Hamburg. Forgot the name, but especially on Hamburg City because it is main pelabuhan.
Yeah, that.
Yeah, naval shipbuilding city.
Alright, alright.
Again, yeah. So after you has take college, you want to make a business, right?
Yeah.
Which business you want to develop it?
Okay, so actually I'm targeting on efficiency and also software engineering.
Software
So yeah,
engineering.
I'm gonna make like maybe we call it startup,
Oh yeah, yeah.
which is make everyone be easier for do anything with the software things. Like
Yes,
maybe
I
at the all time we have to note all of the text in the report. And now we just type it into a software, and it automatically done, and you just print it into your printer, right?
Wow, it's
Yes.
really fast, bro.
Yes, that's very fast, that's very efficient, right?
Right.
And that's where my business on.
So
Inshallah.
your company will move on the digital,
Efficiency.
digital efficiency.
Yep. You
Uh,
could say that.
Okay.
Oh, by the way, let me continue when I was in Japan, right? So
Yes.
I've been choosing one university, and it's very unique. It's UI. I mean, no, not UI, not OE, but IU.
It's
The
on
reverse.
Tokyo.
No, I forgot. It's maybe Shibuya or whatever is that. What went
Shibuya.
IU Professional University. It's like an university, but it's like MBA, and it's focusing on technology and business.
Okay.
That's why I very interested. But the hard challenge that I have to face is he only take one student in Indonesia. So I have to fight with the entire country. I mean not entire country, entire Indonesia for get a seat there. What about you? Did you have like a big challenge for maybe your college or whatever?
Tantangan kali ya.
Yep.
I'm also have a challenge for my college later, and challenge is maybe from from my skills,
Yeah.
on the physics and chemical, and especially also on public speaking.
Yeah, no problem. We
Because
can
the
try.
engineer have been can to deliver the public speaking, right?
Yes, of course. Everyone have to learn what public speaking is very important.
Yes, and it's difficult for me.
No problem. Everyone can learn it. Did you remember when we was? Oh, you didn't join GDG, right?
Yes,
Global Development Group.
Yeah.
Yeah. So basically, one of the speaker, he is very introvert. She said. I mean, cause she's girl. Okay,
Wow,
right?
right?
Bro, come on, just be normal.
Okay,
Okay, alright. So, she told us that when a young time, she's introvert. I mean, or maybe not introvert, no life. Yeah,
No
she's no
life.
life.
Okay. No
As it's normal in IT community, right? In IT world, no life is normal. Alright, but of course, she's got a job, right? So she trains herself to public speaking. And look, in GDG or GDG, just say GDG, Google Development Group, he can deliver us one of the hardest material ever there. Even me, I don't understand. So please don't ask about that, because it's very difficult to talk. Yeah, the main point, start from zero into the public speaking. I think it's like possible to everyone, even an introvert. What do you think after after you've been an like engineer, did you have a personal project that you wanna build or whatever?
Yeah, I also have the personal project on my home.
What's that?
That is make a worship, bro.
Like a worship.
Yes.
Alright.
Bahasa Inggrisnya jenis apa jenis? Jenis
Kind.
kind. And the kind for that is maybe.
You should use type if that.
Oh yeah, type. And the type for that is you know the battle cruiser ship.
Alright.
Yeah, battle cruiser is the type warships on World War II actually. But I'm still excited to it. Yeah. I'll make it on when I go back to my home. Yeah, I go to my ruang tidur apa? Kamar tidur.
What?
Kamar tidur.
Bedroom.
Oh yeah, I'm going to my bedroom and make my worship.
Alright. I'm a bit curious about you. Did you have any like plan for buy some things? Maybe later after we graduate, like maybe some of us wanna buy like a PC, right? Cause there was in IDN, so they cannot use it every time. But after graduating, they can just use it. What about you? Did you have any plan for buy something?
I want to buy peralatan apa?
Tools
Oh yeah, tools for perhitungan.
for counting?
Yeah, for counting the
Count.
physics equations,
Alright.
especially on naval engineering.
Okay.
Oh, fine. So after you have take college,
Yep.
you want to make business, and your business will move on the digital efficiency.
Yes.
Yeah. And you want to be the main developer on your company, or you will pekerjakan apa?
Looking for worker or what?
Looking for worker.
Of course, bro. That's the main point of business. In business, the main point is not like how much you spend your time for your business. I mean, like working harder doesn't mean wait. How do I say? Working harder doesn't mean good result. You get it?
Yeah, I get it.
Yeah. So in business, that is called operational or how do we say system. We call it system.
Oh.
Yeah. So that's the main core of business. So basically, of course, after I have a big business, I'll not working anymore. I'm focusing on investment maybe or another. And of course, I want to like reach some of my dream. Just like I want to buy an R34 GTR with Nismo spec, and maybe I'll try to buy two. One is the stock, and the other is I want to build a Liberty Walk, and maybe I want to get like a drift car.
Yes.
I've been playing for S15 Sylvia.
Oh, S15.
Yep. And maybe I want to like collect, or maybe I want to ride GT3 Evo Mercedes. Yeah, that's
Wow.
very cool, you know. And maybe I want to looking for like another car outside for collecting. Yeah, that's very interesting.
Yeah, okay. Okay, fine. Sorry, because the time has end for this
Oh.
for our podcast. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, guys. So because the time for our podcast has end, let's go to close this podcast. Maybe assalamualaikum warahmatullahi
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi
wabarakatuh.
wabarakatuh. Thank you, Arya, for inviting me.
Yes.
Thank you, sir, for recording me.